Hey folks, and welcome to week number 12. We have two turn-in dates this week, Thursday and Monday. If this goes till Friday, it's okay, but I want to use Friday to give feedback, so it's a little strange to have you given feedback after or while I'm doing it. So just if you can get it done by Thursday, that'd be great. What to do this week, watch the week 12 video. Watch this video called Using Turnitin. We use Turnitin. Some of you guys may know this as plagiarism detection software. This video walks you through sort of how to see your own reports, which I think is a really useful and helpful thing. Okay. Um, um, so peer review. Peer review will take place this week through Thursday. I'll look at my feedback between now and Friday and give you guys feedback there. Final draft of Essay 3 is due on Monday, November 11th. Okay. Now, this week I do have you guys starting the Essay 4 assignment. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is we'll take a look at the assignment real quick. So this essay is open-ended in terms of topic. You can choose what you want to do. However, it's an investigative rather than informative. Okay, so informative, you're just giving information about something. Okay, and if we think about this also in contrast to a persuasive essay where you're trying to convince someone of something, this is investigative. You're trying to answer a question. Okay, it is a 7 to 10 page paper. It's a detailed research assignment. It's a detailed research project. Okay. If there are some unresolved questions or problems you discovered in an earlier research essay you've written, that's fine. You can certainly use that as a jumping off point, but it's question. If there's no unresolved question, I don't think there's anything to do. I'm glad to help you try to come up with a topic here. Okay, a couple quick hints. Don't consider topics that are merely informational, like how can we stop obesity or what's the best treatment for lupus. Those are things we know the answers to, and all you would be doing is presenting information that's already known. You want to focus on very specific issues or problems that need to be addressed. So like what technological innovation can do the most to decrease traffic fatalities? That's a very specific question. We do not know the answer to it, or at the very least the answer is somewhat debatable. And you could look into the statistics and like why, okay? So this research process video right here, also in the Essay 4 folder, lays out sort of the steps of the research process. I know you guys feel like we've already done this, but watch this video. It breaks the process into 4 steps: a practical problem, a research question, a research answer, and a practical solution. Your proposal, we'll take a quick look at the proposal template. Again, this is just a sample. We'll ask for your practical problem, why this matters, and what your research question is. So make sure you watch that video because that's where those things get explained. Okay? Make sure this is something you're interested in because you are going to be living with this for the rest of the semester. This is going to be our piece of work that we work on from now until the term ends. So your Essay 4 proposal is also due on Monday along with your final draft of Essay 3. Okay? So that's it this week. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to let me know.